Oh, hello. So today I'm going to show you how I prepare for my back welt pocket. I've already prepared this one, but I'll show you because once you have it prepared, it's really easy to, you can't go wrong with it. So let's get it started. So here we go. So these are the pocket bearings. So I'm just gonna iron it. Go over to the second one. This is the top and the bottom ones. Okay. So let's presume this is our back trouser panel. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to find the middle without like ironing it, so that it's easy for me to get rid of it, because if I should press it in, it will be difficult, presuming this is my normal trouser that I'm making. So now I have the middle, and I would go the pocket opening measurement is 12 centimeters. So I would go this, I started from the top to 4.5 centimeters. So I would go 4.5 centimeters, and then okay, 12 cm, so that's 6 here and 6 there. Yeah. Zero 0.5 cm on each side. So once you're able to do all this, it's really easy to sew. So here we go. Now I want to transfer it over to this side. It's really easy to go this way. Up, that's me, and this other one, that's me, and this final one, that's me as well. And this width and the other width. Okay, so that's it, and that's it. This is the front and this is the back. So the right side of the trouser and the wrong side of the trouser. So I'll get my pieces. Remember, you should have a 1 cm seam allowance. So I'm gonna mark that in. There we go. And do the same on this other bit. 1 cm. Yeah. Okay. So, like I said, this is the right side and this is the wrong side. So, the wrong side. And here you go. I need to fuse it. I've already cut it out. As you can see, it's just about 1 cm wider on both sides. That's it. Put my pressing cloth over it. And hold. Just hold it for a few seconds. On the other side as well. Just to make sure that the glue melts and stick to the fabric. So that's it done. Take it off and here you go. This place needs to stick properly. So you just make sure you check it. If it's not properly stuck to the fabric, then you repeat. Okay, that's it. All right, I'll move this. This is the back and this is the front. Okay, now I've already done my markings. This line has to go on the stitch line because this is the stitch line, and the pocket opening. This is where we'll open the pocket. So this goes this way, like upside down. Okay, there's a reason for that, and you'll see that not too far from now. So I get my pin just to make sure that I get it in place here and here. That's me. Okay, I'll do same thing. It's here. Here again. Okay. I'll add one more. Okay, just to make it more stable. Now, this is what I do. It starts from here. Okay, just to make sure, you see, that's where it's starting. I'm gonna give it a mark here. That's it, here. And a mark on this other side, here. Okay. So just start from here. I know my thread is really long for tacking, but I can manage it. If you can't manage it, you just make it short. The shorter, the better if you can't manage it, so it doesn't tangle. And then you are stuck, you have to start all over again. So here we go. This is just to ensure accuracy. Okay. So I will stop right here, here. Okay, get rid of the pin, and that's me on this side. So what do? I just lift it over. Okay, so this one again. Now this one goes this way. Here we go. I'll do the same thing again. Okay, there we go. That's one. And here I go again. Yeah, on this side. So that's it. I put in my marking here, which is it. Okay, and this other side, my markings go here as well. So that's it. Get this again. Start just one stitch away from there. Again. All right, here you go. Please remember that this is just for educational purposes. So you need to take your time to do this, no rush, if you want it to come out like it should. So and I stop right here. And one more stitch right here. Get rid of the pin, and that's it. That's it. Okay, so just to have a look, this is it. I nearly got it right. So that's why there is this markings. So when I'm stitching it, I will stitch it from this side just to make sure that I get it straight. Yeah. So now let's go over to the machine.